Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can redo edits and changes in your documents on LibreOffice Writer in 2026. So let us dive into this. Head over to your text document on LibreOffice Writer and highlight the text, for example, or add any changes, for instance. And you will see the redo and undo buttons here at the top. Redo is the arrow to the right and the undo button, the arrow to the left. And you may also use the shortcut Control Y for that. Of course, you will need to make an edit or change that is that fits into the redo model. Now, as you can see, I can't do anything like this because I would need to, for example, undo something. And if you undo the given edit or change, the redo button will be unlocked so that you can redo it. So it only works if you also do the undoing here. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.